Alright, I just made another new addition to the EA called Anti-Drag. So now we have the final timing, variable stop loss, bands, anti-drag, EA. Yeah, I think I named it final just to be funny because it's never ending. So I'm going to pick a random guy here. Well, not completely random. I want something I'm at least familiar with a little bit. Let's go to Euro Japan, and I'll pick a random date. Sure, the 24th. 30 minutes, and let's see what properties we have here. I want it to be... We'll do this one. Do you want to do grid or no grid? We'll do no grid again, just to test that a little bit more. And risk here, everything looks fine. Bands trading will be 1. Grid trading will be 0. Time and mode on. Speed, okay. Actually, speed is a little crazy. You said this 2000. So we can see what we're doing. And let's start this up. See how it goes. I had some complaints with people who were dragging the line, their BST line or whatever it was, over the current price, and it just made a ridiculous amount of trades. We don't want that to happen on any live accounts, so that's why we're demoing, so I can get all the bugs out. It looks like right here, let me pause this. Looks like we're already in a good trade. So this is the lower one. This might be one of those half entry issues. So let's set this here. And again, I might not be the best person to be backtesting this. I spent more time coding the EA than actually trading the EA here. So we'll make this a buy stop timing, and I'll set the stop loss to here. And that looks about right. We'll just go with that. I hear Timon yelling at me right now, so I'll just set this up. So now put this down so we can see here we're getting some ticks, and if I drag the buy stop down, we're not entering 1,000 trades, and I can bring it back up and no trades will occur. Here we go. So now let's move this forward a little bit in time and see what this wants to do. Doesn't seem to be looking too good. Fantastic. So now, since we already lost the trade, we'll just show you guys again how this works. BST, and drag it down, doesn't make a trade. As soon as I let go, the trade will enter. There we are. Alright, so let's exit this trade and let's get serious again, see if I can find another good entry for you. So far, we saw this entry here, which looked good, that I just lost on. This could have been a good entry also, but we would have lost on that too. And here would have been another entry. Right about there. So far, out of 3 possible entries, only one would have been profitable. So what matters is how profitable would it have been. Of course, I didn't make these trades because I was messing around, but this one was negative 27. This one was negative 25, so we're about negative 50 so far. And then this one plus 11, then plus 40. So we would have been broke even if I took all 3 of those trades on the Euro Japan 30 minutes. Now, very quickly, I'm going to go back and I'm going to see how these trades would have worked out if I put grid trading to 1 and band trading to 0. I'll keep these at the defaults. And yeah, let's see. I don't think it'll be too different actually. We'll see what it does. Here we go again, write this entry. You know, unfortunately those scripts I made don't work when you're backtesting. Doesn't seem like any scripts work with backtesting, so. Alright. So, that's how the first one starts. Still a loss. Did I miss this entry again? Yes, I did. Wasn't paying attention. It came too quickly. But either way, this also would have been a loss. So let me pay attention and see if I can get in that next one that we saw. Looks like it might be coming here. Yes. And it looks like even if I had gotten out there, would it have made a big difference? So we had plus 20 here instead of what we could have had. Same thing. Not too much. Actually, this was less of a gain since we got some of it out there. Well, actually, yeah, this would have been a little better because the time-in would have got TP1 there, whereas we had TP1 there. But then we lost that, which probably invalidated it. Either way, this little stretch sucked no matter what, how you're doing it, really. Alright, so I'm done with this video.